Hi, in today's video we are going to be talking about our why for eating a whole food plant-based diet. I think we all know that diets come and go because they don't really work, and it's easy to get bored with something and switch to the new thing. Whole food plant-based eating needs to be a lifestyle for it to give you the benefits that it can. It needs to be a way of eating throughout your life. If you don't have a clear understanding of your motivations for eating this way, it's going to be easy to just treat it like another fad diet and move on to the next thing that doesn't work. When I first began eating this way, I was led to it by researching what the scientists and physicians who study nutrition have to say about how foods affect our body. I didn't really care about knowing what the coolest new diet trend of the day was. I wanted to know how I could protect my health. I wanted to live, and still continue to want to live, a long and healthy life. I want to be a fun and energetic grandma and have the energy I need to do everything on my bucket list. And plant-based eating is what is giving me the health to be able to do that. It is the only way of eating that is proven to reverse heart disease. It also prevents cancers, can reverse diabetes, can protect against Alzheimer's disease, and can minimize autoimmune disorders and clear them up completely. Things like skin issues, eczema, and even arthritis. Eating this way truly is healing. And that became my why for sticking to eating this way for as long as I have, and I will be eating this way for the rest of my life. After learning about all the ways that it helped my body, I began learning about the ways that it helps save animals, obviously, because you're not eating them, and how it protects our world and helps to clear up our environment. So it has just been one added layer of another why for me to eat this way. But I have noticed that over the last several years, the term vegan and eating plant-based has just joined the ranks of other fad diets. And if you are eating this way because your friends are, or it seems cool or hip to eat that way, you're probably not going to last very long. So you need to be really clear on your motivations for why you have decided to eat this way so that you can stick to your gut and stick to your plan and create a life that is healthy for you. So spend some time today thinking about your personal motivation, why you wanted to give this a try, why it's important to you. When you're clear on that, you will have much success and a lot of health to look forward to.